Hey, my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've been here vlogging. You know, the last thing I did was my live, and I updated you guys on my eye and the shingles that I had going on. But if you can see it, it's doing much better still. Still a process to go through, but I'm here. I'm here. I want to show y'all this though. Look at this. This came from one of my subscribers. Her name is Kelly. Kelly, thank you. Yay. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate this. I'm going to wear it all the time. Thank you. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for keeping me in your prayers. You know, sending the prayers out for my healing and everything. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I am so grateful because I literally was going through. But I also want to thank my new subscribers, my old subscribers, and my future subscribers. Listen, guys, I'm over 500. We're trying to get to 600. So let's do this. I'm trying to get monetized. I've been on YouTube exactly a year. This month, May, the end of May made a year. And I'm halfway through. So I'm not giving up yet. I'm going to keep pushing. But today, excuse me, people. Today, I'm going to make something quick and easy. I got some bread here. I got some bread. Can y'all tell me what I'm going to make? I got some cheese. Sliced cheddar cheese. I got a can of tomato soup. What you guys think I'm making? If you guessed grilled cheese and tomato soup, you guessed right. That's what I'm going to make me today. Something quick and easy. Something quick and easy. Something quick and easy for you guys too. Cheap too. I went and bought this soup. I'm not going to make homemade tomato soup because it's just costly. This was cheaper in the store to buy than to make it homemade. Because tomatoes was where I went. I don't want to touch my eye. But where I went was $1.49 a pound for tomatoes. Then you got to get the other ingredients and stuff and put in it. This can of soup was $2.19. So I went the cheap route. Would you have gone the cheap route or would you have made homemade? Let me know in the comments. But I went the cheap route. I always keep cheese and bread. So we're going to make grilled cheese sandwich and tomato soup. Come on over to the stove. Let's get it started. And thank you guys. Thank you. When you make it to the end of this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I try not to touch my eye with my hands because I don't know where my hands been. I'm gonna wash them. Don't forget, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm back. Retired Shenanigans is back. Thank you. Okay, here he is at the stove. I got my bread, I got my cheese, I got my margarine. I'm going to cut on the stove. I'm going to let this pan get hot. I'm touching the back one because my stove is acting up a little bit. We're going to let the pan get hot. We're going to put some country crock in it. This ain't going to be a long video because it's not going to take long. Because we're going to get it cooking and we're going to get it eaten. So, what do you guys? Do you guys like grilled cheese and tomato soup? I hope so. You know, today in New York is cold. We was having hot weather, but today is chilly. So I said, you know what? Let me make some comfort food for today. So I'm going to make this grilled cheese. Grilled cheese, and soup. I'm a little discombobulated. I'm looking for these thingies. So, there they go. We're going to cut the pot on also for the soup. We're going to wash off the top for the soup. Wipe it with the rag. We're going to pour this down in the pot. I might put a little sugar in my soup. I'm going to put some water in it though. It's so thick. You see that? Well, we don't want it that thick, but we don't want it too loose either. We want all of that out of there. All right. So, we're going to get our bread. This is all Walmart bread. This loaf of bread is what? $2? If it costs $2. So, should I make one or should I make two? Let's make two. So the first piece is going to go down. We put some butter in it. We're going to put some more. Because I like mine's brown. I like mine with buttery. You know? And I'm using my grill pan. So the person that gave me this here apron, this design for the apron and stuff, her name is Kelly. If you want information on her, she can design stuff for you. This is not a promo. This is not nothing. This is just me letting you guys know that the nice lady did this for me. And if you like it and you want her to help you with anything, you can reach me. Contact me in the comments. Just say, listen, and I will give you her information, because I'm sure she wouldn't mind helping you guys. So, that's all. I'm not, I'm not selling anything or anything like that. So we're going to put our cheese here. Do you think we need 1 or 2 pieces? What you guys think? 1 or 2? Let's put 1.5. Let's put 1.5. One's bigger than the other, but that's okay. I'm looking for my thing so I can stir up the soup. I'll cut it down so it won't cook so fast. I'm gonna put a little more water. What you guys think? You like it thick or you like it thin? Thick or thin? I like mine a little thinner than that. I'm gonna put just a little bit more water. And you know, with tomatoes, I like it a little sweet. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. Alright. There we go. We're gonna put a little Italian seed. No, this ain't. Listen, I'm trying to make this like it's some. But this is just soup, right? I eat tomato soup, but I don't eat it regularly. So I'm just trying to season it to my liking. I don't want to have it tasting nasty and stuff. You know, I can season my soup. I'm putting on the top layer on my grilled cheese. Let's see what's going on the bottom. Oh yeah, they starting to get brown down there, see? Tell me, do y'all guys think I use too much margarine? Because I'm put some more. I'm going to put some more in there right now. And when I flip it, I'm going to put some more. When I flip it, I'm going to put more. So, I'm going to put a little seasoning in my soup. I don't care. But you know what? I'm just going to make it very simple. I'm going to put a little bit of soul seasoning. Just a little bit. Just to give it a little taste. Yep. Just like that. Stir it up. Gonna be ready. And don't take canned soup long. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We don't need nothing else. I'm gonna throw this away. Oh yeah, we don't need nothing else. Nothing else. Look at it there. Flipping it. Mashing it down. Getting more margarine. Yeah. These are going to be good too. Yeah. Tell me when the last time you had a good grilled cheese sandwich. A good grilled cheese sandwich. Good one. These are good ones. You know why they good? Because they're made with love. They're made with love. I make everything with love. So, I'm cooking these up. They're going to be done soon. Soup is bubbling, 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 bubbling. But it tastes so good. I'm going to get ready to plate all this up in a minute. Yeah. I miss you guys. I miss coming on here talking to you guys about different stuff and stuff. You know, I don't know, I was missing. I didn't know I could miss it as much as I do. But I did. You all become my friend. And I kept saying to myself, listen, you have to get on here and vlog, girl. What are you doing? You have to get your friends. You got to let them know that everything is okay. You got to get on here. So, here I am, friends. Here I am. It's good to be back. I've been gone a minute. And I'm glad to be back now. Hanging out with you guys. Cooking. Chit-chatting. My life, you know. I just gotta say thank you. You know, God is good. He's always good. And if we ever deny that He is the miracle worker and He watches over all of us when we have problems, you better think about it again, because He will put you in a situation that He will make you come to Him, because He's that type of God. And He wants all His children to prosper. That I know. We're going to finish up these here things, and I'm going to come back. Look at that. That's how I want it. We're going to get ready to plate it up, and we're going to be eating. So, cheese, grilled cheese sandwiches, and tomato soup. We'll be eating. Okay, my friends. Here it is. Do you see it? I cut the grilled cheese up. This is the soup. We're going to taste it now. If you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you guys for coming along on my journey today. Don't forget, this is me, Retired Shenanigans. We doing budget, cooking, and fun with friends. That's how I think of you, as my friends and family. You see that cheese melted? I'm gonna dip it in there. Tell me if you eat your grilled cheese and tomato soup like that. Let's taste it. Mm-mm-mm. That's good, people. That's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. I have to get me something to drink. But here's the soup. It's canned soup. But I put a little soul food seasoning in it, and it was good. So let's taste this. Oh my goodness, this is good. Let me put this down so I can talk. So guys, listen. Thank you for coming on my journey today. Thank you for making grilled cheese and tomato soup today. It's a little chilly out today, so that's what made me think about you cooking this. This is good. This is real good. I'm going to enjoy it. So once again, thank you if you made it to the end of this video. Don't forget, you have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to comment. On that note, I will see you guys, my friends. I will see my friends on the next one. Thanks for watching.